Hello and welcome back. Now, if you watched the previous video about the H4 conversion headlight kit we bought, it was a little bit of an improvement over stock. Now, it still left a lot to be desired. Now, these were fairly cheap at $57 with shipping. That's pretty cheap for a conversion kit for all four. Now, that did come with the bulbs also, which are fairly cheap. The brights seem to work fine, but the driving lights, they said it leaves a lot to be desired. Now, I've also recently wired up the halos on it, and that helped a little bit, but not enough. Now what we're going to do is use a cheap set of LEDs from eBay. Now, I went out and found the cheapest set I could find. I think I paid $10 with shipping for these H4 style LED conversions. Now, they should be a direct plug and play, and we're going to give them a shot and see if they actually work and how well they work. That being said, if we get better light, that was only a $68 investment for upgraded headlights, which won't be bad, but let's see if they do work. Now here are our lights. They were actually $10.95 from Parts Seller 2017 on eBay, which I tried to put in US only for location. These came up when I paid with PayPal. It gave a Chinese email, so these are unfortunately not made in the USA, but at $10.95 should just fit right in and hopefully be a plug and play. We're going to try these out. after running the new LEDs, even though they're cheap, $10 LEDs, they're not bad. I would prefer something from Octane Lighting or something that's a little bit better, because this had kind of an odd V effect out of each one. Now still, it was considerably better than the halogen lights that came with our H4 conversion kit, which was way better in stock either way, and these LEDs are way better than the H4 halogens. So for a $10 upgrade, that's pretty good to see. Now, one thing I noticed is with the headlights adjusted where they look flat, the LEDs actually shine up a little high, so I had to adjust them down a little bit, and I can see much more of the road. See a lot more to the side, a lot more visually I can see. But also, one of the things I noticed with these LEDs versus the halogens, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video or not, is that reflected surfaces such as traffic cones or signs, stop signs and speed limit signs, actually reflect a lot better, and I can see them from a lot further distance away, which is a great benefit. Now, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and keep a watch out for more content, because you never know what products we're going to try next or what project we're going to work on next, and it could be something that can help you save time or money. And as always, thanks for watching.